Three storms rage across Atlantic. Three storms are raging through the Atlantic, with one already a hurricane and another forecast to strengthen and threaten areas battered by Hurricane Irma last week, the media reported. Tropical Storm Maria formed on Saturday in the western Atlantic Ocean and is expected to be a hurricane by late Monday and a major hurricane by Wednesday, CNN quoted the U.S.-based National Hurricane Center as saying. As of early Sunday morning, Maria was about 500 miles east-southeast of the Lesser Antilles, packing maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour. The storm is moving toward the Caribbean at 16 miles per hour. The core of Maria was expected to hit the Leeward Islands in 48 to 72 hours, and then move toward Puerto Rico, Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Meanwhile, Hurricane Jose, a Category 1 storm, is spinning about 465 miles south-southeast of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, and 465 miles west-southwest of Bermuda. Jose currently has maximum sustained winds of 80 miles per hour and is expected to remain